question.
What's your name?
My name is Hilda Karimpal Benito,
How old are you?
34 years old, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Christian, ma'am.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have son or daughter?
I have a daughter and 2 sons.
How old are they?
My first child is 12, the second is 8, and the last one is 4.
How long have you been working in Hong Kong?
8 months, ma'am.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you been working with the current or previous employer?
8 months, ma'am.
Where is your employer living in?
City 1, ma'am. Shatin.
How many square feet of your employer house?
8 square meters, ma'am.
800,
800 square
okay.
meters, ma'am.
How many family members are there?
3 members, ma'am.
How many children of your employer?
1, ma'am.
How old are they?
15 years old, ma'am.
Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 6 a.m.
And then?
Then going down to buy newspaper.
And then?
Then going back home to take care of the cat.
And then?
Then doing household work like laundry,
Yes.
fixing their beds,
And then?
cleaning household chores, and then ironing.
Did you go to market?
Go to market, ma'am.
What time you prepare for dinner?
6 p.m., ma'am.
So until what time you go to sleep?
10 p.m., ma'am.
Okay, thank you.